Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a well-liked stock where the CEO has recently sold a massive quantity of shares. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Dabur India Limited, which is available at Rs 419.25 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is DABUR. Now Dabur has been on a tear with the stock up 23% in 2018 compared with the 13% rise in the Nifty FMCG index. In the same period, the benchmark Nifty is up 2%, having given up almost all of its gain in the September-October carnage. CEO Sunil Duggal has made the most of this run-up and sold 4,43,077 shares at an average price of Rs 442 in December to net Rs 196 million. Overall in 2018, Duggal sold 7,86,228 shares worth Rs 350 million in the August-December period. Duggal still holds 5.04 million shares valued at Rs 2.2 billion. Among other insiders, Director P. D. Narang also sold 6,71,589 shares worth Rs 297 million in September. After this sale, Narang's existing holding stands at 3.9 million shares worth Rs 1.67 billion. The company had a very good run even when the market was correcting. However, of late there has been some semblance of a correction, but on the technical charts this could be forming something which is referred to as a inverted head and shoulders formation. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 74,051.76 crores. The EPS of 6.55 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 64.01, which is optically expensive, but when compared with the industry PE, it still appears reasonable. The price to book ratio of 17.52, however, is on the higher side. The company has a debt to equity of 0.2070, whereas the return on equity for this company is a good number and stands at 0.2576. The dividend yield stands at 1.79%, whereas the promoter holding is also a strong number at 67.88%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.